Did you know there's a new growing industry in the world that produces more profit than porno, movies, poker, ice hockey, and casinos combined? It's not marijuana, it's not drugs, and it's not weapons. Think again. It's fully legal and anybody can profit from it. Yes, I'm talking about esports. If you've been missing the next big thing, then you better listen carefully. With a viewership bigger than the Stanley Cup, Super Bowl, Wimbledon, and the Masters, and a prize fund of $219 million, esports is quickly becoming the next big thing to wager on. Trailing only the Olympics and the Football World Cup, esports has quickly become the number 3 sport in the world. That's right. Even still, not many people are aware of esports. The video games you love do not have to be a hobby anymore. With the right tools, anyone can be successful and profitable betting on esports today. With traditional sports going on hiatus after the coronavirus pandemic, esports has got the opportunity to be huge this year. Research found the total amount bet on esports is expected to hit $24.9 billion this year alone. That's billion. The question is, will traditional sports fans actually tune in, follow, and wager on esports? Will you join the profit train or remain on the sidelines and miss all of the action? Upgrade to Zcode VIP Club now and get access to all esports picks and systems, including automated picks and professional expert picks for esports. That also includes all other popular sports at no extra fee. Yes, you heard me right. All sports are included in one simple membership. The rise of esports looks to continue, with this year forecasted to be its biggest and best year to date. The question is, will you follow the action or be left behind? Upgrade now and I'll see you inside as we wager on esports this year.